In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make only one-page landscape in Microsoft Word. This is really useful when you're working on a document that's mostly in portrait, but you have a single page that needs more horizontal space. For example, maybe you're adding a wide table, a chart, or an image that just doesn't fit well on a vertical page. Instead of turning the entire document sideways, we'll change the orientation for just that one page. First, open your document in Microsoft Word and scroll to the page you want to make landscape. Place your cursor at the very beginning of that page. It's important that the cursor is exactly where you want the landscape page to start, because we're going to separate this page from the rest of the document using section breaks. Next, go to the Layout tab at the top of the screen. In some versions of Word, this might be called Page Layout, but it's usually between Design and References. Once you're there, look for the Breaks option. Click on Breaks, and under Section Breaks, choose Next Page. What this does is create a new section starting from the page where your cursor is. Sections are what allow different parts of your document to have different layouts. Now, make sure your cursor is still somewhere on that same page, inside the new section. Go back to the Layout tab and find the Orientation button. Click on Orientation and then select Landscape. You'll see that the page where your cursor is located has now turned sideways, while the rest of the document remains in portrait. If you only need that single page in landscape and want the next page to go back to portrait, you'll repeat a similar process. Move your cursor to the beginning of the following page. Go back to Breaks on the Layout tab, and again choose Next Page under Section Breaks. Then, with your cursor in that new section, set the orientation back to portrait. At this point, you should have one page in the middle of your document that's landscape, with the pages before and after staying in portrait. If anything looks off, double-check where your section breaks are by going to the Home tab and turning on the Show Hide formatting marks. This will help you see exactly where each section begins and ends, making it easier to adjust. And that's how you make only one-page landscape in Microsoft Word, without affecting your entire document.